Right, let's do it. So the mix said, I think 3 or 4 parts of the sand to 1 part cement. So I just ended up using 1 bag of sand per half a bag of cement because it just seemed right to me. As you can see, there's a whole lot of mixing. And after yet more mixing, I shoveled the concrete mix onto the paving slab and tried to kind of spread it around to where I needed it. It was at this point that my drill stopped working. I don't know if it was just the battery or if it overheated, but I had to start mixing by hand because the drill was no longer working. So I'm trying to just sort of smooth it out as I go so that I kind of know where the dips are and I know where I need to fill it in with more concrete because I'm kind of getting to the point where I'm almost done. As you can see, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, just totally winging it. On the plus side, my drill started working again, so yay! So I'm completely covered, as you can see, but now I have to try and figure out how to smooth this stuff out, which, yeah, that's a whole other story. And every time I tried to move that plank, I kept dropping it in the mix. So I had to redo it all over again. Ah, damn. Such an amateur. But yeah, if a ditzy blonde like myself can do this, then yeah, I'm pretty sure anyone can. And there it is, all done. As you can see, now just got to wait and see if it dries. And look, that's it, the next morning, dry and hard. I'm so excited. Like one little ridge here. But overall, it's pretty dry. Bum, bum, bum.